Cupertino, California at the Steve Jobs Theater with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And here's everything that you need to know. First of all, if you're new to the channel, obviously you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing that you gotta know is the action button. Let's talk about it. So the mute switch is gone, and you now have an action button that you can program it, so you can see, to do different things. So if we go inside of settings, and then we get inside of action, these are all the different options that we can have. From accessibility, we can have a Siri shortcut, which this is gonna be really handy, because you can actually program it, you know, for HomeKit stuff or whatever you want, right? Magnifier, voice memos, the flashlight, camera, do not disturb, and just silent mode. Let's turn on the flashlight. Look how cool this is. You can just simply tap this and hold, and you can have an actual button to turn on the flashlight. Here's a closer look on all 4 colors for the iPhone 15 Pro. These two look really similar, but this one has the true color of titanium. I think this one's probably my favorite, and the new blue, which I'm honestly in love as well. What do you guys think about the new colors? All right, and then the most noticeable thing in the bottom is this. Say goodbye to Lightning and say hello to USB-C. I'm so happy because we will finally have one cable for my iPad, for my Sony camera, for my iPhone. And what's cool about this, you can actually charge your AirPods directly from your iPhone. Let's head over to the camera because we now get ×5. We get a couple different modes inside of ×1. As you can see, 28 millimeters, 35 millimeters, ×2, and a brand new ×5. This is all optical lens. Look how crisp it actually is. So it's so cool that you can have so much zoom. And look how cool this is. You see this right here? So you can actually, once you actually start zooming a lot, you can see it can actually capture just like that. All right, so check this out. This image right here was not shot on portrait mode, but now thanks to the A17 Bionic chip, all the images that detect depth, you'll be able to turn them into portrait mode images, and you can even change the depth on it. So any image is now a portrait mode image. It's kind of insane the way that it works. 15 Pro Max also gets some love compared to the 15 Pro. You'll now be able to shoot spatial videos, so you can actually shoot videos in 3D for the Apple Vision Pro. This was a feature that I said in the beginning of the year that needs to happen if we want, you know, the Vision Pro 3D videos in order to be popular. We need it on the iPhone. It's a little bit upsetting that it's only available on the Pro Max, but I'm sure it will come within the 16 Pro or the 17 Pro. But it's absolutely awesome that we will be able to capture 3D images directly on the iPhone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you want to know what's new about the Apple Watch Series 9 or the Apple Watch Ultra 2, you can tap these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you're new.